You are going to scream it. A miracle will come out of it. I don't know what happened in 2015. We will keep declaring until we arrive where we are right now. If you are ready, shout fire. Can you shout fire? Can you shout fire? You know why we are beginning. The Lord said, I will restore to you the years that the locusts has eaten. The years the locusts has eaten. The canker worm and the palmer worm. There is an angry generation. There is a generation that must receive it in full. Opportunities the enemy wasted. A miracle will Sakila Ramana Jaba Eleta Record Alabe. If you are ready, as I thunder 2015, you are going to scream. A miracle will come out of it. 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. If you believe it, thunder and louder, amen. Now watch this. I will call all the months of the year 2024. We are summing up disappointment, betrayal, haters, conspiracy, and what I call January, as I call January 2024. You are going to scream it loud. A miracle will come out of it. If you are ready, January 2024, February 2024, March 2024, April 2024, May 2024, June 2024, July 2024, August 2024, September 2024, October 2024, November 2024, December 2024. Let your image on the louder. Let your image on. I announce, let it erupt. Let it erupt. Let it erupt. Beautiful rashes. Beautiful rashes. Beautiful rashes. Oil of joy for morning. Oil of joy for morning. A garment of praise. A garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. For the spirit of heaviness. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. 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 Let your image on. Let your image on. And they turned to Bartimaeus and they said to Bartimaeus, keep quiet, shut up your mouth. And Jesus turned and commanded that they should call him. There were naysayers that tried to silence him, but a miracle came out of it. A miracle came out of it. At the sound of your amen, may the voice of the Lord silence the voice of those that want to stop you. Right now, right now, right now, right now. In Cana of Galilee, they said the wine is finished, and Jesus said, pour water, pour water. Ordinary water, ordinary water, ordinary water became wine. You're ordinary, you're ordinary, you're ordinary. He's about to provoke result. A miracle is coming out of it. A miracle is coming out of it.